Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today, and today I don't have Lulu, but like you saw, I'm going to teach you guys how to make slime. Sorry about the background noise, but I'm at a garage sale right now and I'm just getting really bored, so I'm going to take this off. Ugh. So I'm also going to throw something else on. You are at my slime station right now, and this is like my own little area where I can just chill and stuff. And when I'm stressed, I like make slime and stuff, and then it makes me happy or something. But I really love this slime station, and this is my shirt that I wear every time I make slime, so I don't get out my clothes. It says "Happy Birthday, Tim." So happy birthday if your name's Tim, or hi. Okay, so this is my plate, and I do make slime on this. As you can see, I have different plates, but I like to use every plate till I can't use it no more, so yeah. So the first thing you need to do, to make slime, is some glue. You're also going to need some borax, some shaving cream, water, and your choice is glitter or food dye, but you don't have to have that, so yeah.
And me, your location, let's focus on communal.
So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open my book.
Okay. And then you're gonna pour a little bit. So that's reasonable though. There we go.
So that's good. So next what we're going to do, you're going to put the cap back on so it doesn't dry out. Make sure you put it on good, or you have trouble dealing with it and getting, come on, come on, come on. What's up? So make sure that shaving cream's coming sticky and incorporating with the glue, because it's gonna make fluffy slime. Come on, glue. Make sure to like fold it over, it's just better. So obviously this is going to be fluffy slime, as you can tell. Okay, now let's start next. You can see because this will be very stretchy. Can't wipe it off. You're going to take some borax and top. And your borax. And your water. So after you take your borax and your water, you are going to pour a little water into the top. Then you're going to take 1 spoonful of borax. Spread that all out. Wipe it off. Then you are going to take one, maybe even less than a spoonful. I just put whatever I'm feeling like, so I think that's a good amount. Then you're going to stir. Mine's overflowing, that means it's okay. Now you stir. No, mine is overflowing. Then you're going to take your water borax. There's already glue in it, see? And then you're going to sprinkle it all on your, what's it called? Your something. Just stir it. Go like that. It's becoming slime. Stir. Oh, slime! I love making slime. It's so like satisfying, you know? Not pluggable yet. But it's becoming slime. I always do the, what's called the shaving cream first. I don't know, but I just do. Because I feel like the borax kind of eliminates the fluffiness. So, still not fluffy. Well, it is fluffy, still not pokeable. So you're just going to keep adding the borax and water. Now you're going to put down your spoon and you're going to start using your hands. So it is still sticky, so clean a little more. But don't go crazy overboard, because then it's going to turn out, it's going to be like jiggly slime, and you don't want jiggly slime, you want nice fluffy slime. Come on! More borax. You think of going overboard, but no, that will touch it up.
Can I pour the lemonade out?
Sure. Is it over?
I think so.
Or, still stretchy, still fluffy. It shouldn't stick to your hands. You know, my hands kind of sticky. It shouldn't be like you poke it once and then. Okay. Now that my slime's like a cloud, when you're kneading it, don't freak out because it will do this. And you'll see like little rips and tears, and you'll be like, oh my god, I put too much borax in. No, it's fine, guys. If you put too much borax in, here, I'm just curling out the liquid. Then it would go like that. But so that's how you can check. Next, poke it. If you hear that noise, that's a good sign. Okay, so touch it, that's a good sign. If it's fluffy and it makes your hands feel good, that's a good sign. And you guys, what I said earlier is that I always wear this shirt. I wear it because you don't want to get it on your clothes. And don't just get a shirt from your drawer. That would not be good, you guys. Okay, I'm going to make this slime green. So I'm going to put a little glitter in first. Green glitter. Just go what you feel like. I'm looking at the board. I just, every time I just cover my whole front in glitter. So now my whole slime is covered in glitter. Then I'm going to add some green dye. I'm just gonna make a smiley face. I can never open this. I like the gel kind. It's just better, I don't know why. Then you're gonna take your spoon. You're gonna wipe all that slime off of it. You're gonna mix
Dots?
it. Yeah, Dad?
Oh, shoot. We gotta get going. Yeah, Sam.
And it's okay to get dirty, people.
Yeah. Sorry.
Just do one big squirt of what color you like, and it always does the trick. Always. Like, I made purple slime. It was really purple, and I was like, yes! But I only have, you can easily go to the dollar store to get the colors, and it won't have all the colors, but you can mix the colors. Like, I did red and blue, which equals purple, and it's like, it turned out really good. See how this is turning green? Yeah. I'm gonna name this one Mint. But I'm not going to put it in a container because I have a lot of big slimes. This isn't my biggest slime ever, so you get a bag, not a container. And you guys, if you think I should sell slime, that would be cool, because now that I know how to make it, what's it called? I'm really good at it. And I also know how to make stress balls. I made a stress ball and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna add a little more borax. And it's so fun, and I brought it to a second game. I was like, I want to feel it. I was like, sure. Anyways, but yeah. Shout out to my soccer friends, especially, I don't know, especially, let's say, everybody on the team. Especially my slime friend, Vanessa. She is total slime. With her partner. Oh my god. This is like St. Patrick's Day. So you guys, that's how you make slime. Thank you for watching this video. I know it was really long. But here's my slime. Comment down below if your slime worked out, and comment if it didn't, and then I can probably figure out why it didn't. And for some reason, that is like not the color of this slime. It's like way greener. That's weird. Okay, you guys, some of you may like glitter, some of you may not. Okay, glitter fans, I'm doing this for you. I'm adding even more glitter. And non-glitter fans, I'll stop right about. Did you guys see that? It's so cool. It feels good if you take your finger and then you stab it in the glitter. It feels so weird. Now I'm just going to make a smiley face out of my green. Yay, this is happy slime. Anyways, you guys, I hope you liked this video, and make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on that green bell for notifications. And peace.